most memorable moments in my career, hitting six sixes. And it was very important कि हम वो मैच जीते, वहाँ से हम मैच जीते, फिर हम सेमीफाइनल खेले, वो वाला मैच जीते और फाइनल जीते हम पाकिस्तान के साथ. तो I think हमारे लिए as a young unit it was a very memorable tournament. First T20 World Cup, winning it as a young team, and it will always be one of my favorite memories.
Did you make up your mind in the beginning of the over? You are going to do that?
I made up my mind. शुरू में अगर मैं दिमाग में रख लिया होता कि मैं 6 छक्के मार दूंगा तो मैं हर मैच में ना मार देता. No, I just sport में हर बंदे का दिन आता है. You have to prepare for the best, and it's like in the office. Some days you have good days, some days you have bad days. That was one of my good days, which I made it to a very good day. The important thing was that we won the game. 6 छक्के मारे और मैच हारने तो फायदा नहीं. So I think the most important thing was that we won that game after hitting 6 sixes.
Great. We talked a little bit about 2011 World Cup. That's again one thing very, very close to everybody's heart. So first World Cup win for us right here in Mumbai. How was the overall tournament for you? How special was that to start tournament and then go match after match after match and then having that confidence, okay, we are here, we can probably win this, we have a good chance, and then you finally lift the trophy?
First World Cup तो नहीं था, लेकिन it felt like first World Cup because it was after 28 years. And again, I think one of very special moments in my life where it's just, I was not in the best of form, and मेरा पूरा साल उससे वर्ल्ड कप से पहले मेरे को बहुत सारी चोटें लगी. I got injured a lot, I had was struggling with my body, and obviously again, with my health I really suffered. But I think when you're playing for your country, you have to put yourself at the back seat. You want to put your country at first. Because 28 साल बाद हम वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया में खेल रहे हैं और it was a big opportunity for us to win the way we playing the World Cup, and it was probably the most important thing in my career. When you're young, you want to play for India. I think it's just you as a young kid you might think that भगवान मुझे बस एक मैच खिला दे. That's the feeling at that time. But when you playing for so many years, then you want to win the World Cup. That's probably the most, that's the biggest trophy or the biggest moment in your life is to win the World Cup. And I think it came at a very special time. It was Sachin's last World Cup. It was in Mumbai, or at Wankhede we won it. I think it was a very special day, and then the whole of India celebrated with us, and it's very hard to put the journey into words because it's very emotional, it's very special, it's जब इंडियन टीम जीतती है तो सब लोग बोलते हैं हम जीत गए, जब इंडियन टीम हारती है सब लोग बोलते हैं हम हार गए. So I think it was a moment where the whole country celebrated, and it will always be etched in a memory.
So is it like the most special one for you, or you would call 2007 World Cup?
Well, I think 50 over World Cup is the real World Cup. I feel it's not that T20s no less, but 50 over World Cup comes after every 4 years. T20 World Cup at that time we were playing every 2 years, or there were times that एक साल वर्ल्ड कप फिर अगले साल फिर वर्ल्ड कप हो गया. तो मतलब I think it's every 2 years. So after 4 years if the World Cup comes, you maybe gonna play 2 or 3, you don't know in your career. So I think I know T20 over has taken over the world, but I think 50 over cricket I always feel is the real World Cup.
Okay. You saw the cricket transforming from 50 over matches to T20s, and then came the IPL. So How was that transition? Did you find it like very exciting, or you always inclined more towards the 50-over format?
I think IPL start हुआ एकदम T20 World Cup के बाद. I think T20 World Cup से IPL revolutionized हुई. That that was a great idea to put IPL together, and I think that's where T20 cricket came as a storm. And obviously it was fast, it was quick. People enjoyed T20 cricket, coming after office, sitting and watching cricket for 3 hours rather than 6 hours. Kind of made sense for us to watch, and became exciting. It became more power packed. And you've seen where IPL has gone today. It's probably the second or the third most watched league in the world. And and obviously more shorter formats are coming now. But I think T20 is a format which will always be entertaining. But I think 50 overs cricket is 6 hours of cricket, The game changes a lot. You can come back in the game. You're never out. In T20 cricket, if one moment you go away, it can take the good game can go away from you. But I think in 50 overs, you can always come back. And but for me, I think real cricket will always be Test cricket, because Test cricket is always a test of a true athlete.